Welcome to the RoadSpy radar detector installation video. In this guide, we'll show you how to mount your radar detector seamlessly below or behind the rear view mirror, ensuring a sleek appearance and avoiding the dimmer tab, if your mirror has one. The radar detector kits come with your exact model's adapter already attached to the 3.3-inch extension arm. You have the option to replace the screw that attaches the adapter with the thumb screw that's included with the super mount for quick detachment of the radar detector. Note that the screw covered with tape is the end you'll screw into the base of your RoadSpy. Also note that we ship the radar detector kits with the thumb screw placement on the right side, but you can easily switch to left side thumb screw placement by pointing the internal nut on the extension arm toward the right side of the vehicle. To begin, attach the adapter securely to the radar detector. Next, take the 3.3-inch extension arm along with the adapter and now attached radar detector and attach everything directly to the base of your RoadSpy super mount. Use the screw we mentioned, but don't tighten the screws just yet. Now, you can raise or lower the height of your radar detector to your preference, or to clear a dimming tab. Remember to make sure your forward visibility isn't affected. If you prefer a more hidden setup, you can use the out of sight kit, sold separately, to further customize the placement of your radar detector. To shift the radar detector to one side of the mirror, attach a reverse direction arm to the base of the super mount. Then attach a 3.3-inch extension arm to the reverse direction mount. Attach another reverse direction mount to the extension arm, then attach your radar detector to this reverse direction arm. To distance this configuration from the mirror, attach any extension arm to a reverse direction arm on the base of the RoadSpy. Then, follow the steps from the last configuration, starting with the 3.3-inch extension arm. Thank you for choosing RoadSpy, the only mount you need.